This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Edward Gale. Super open floor plan, great space for entertaining. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath and a den. Plus, 2-car garage.Large home with a gourmet kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, large island, tile flooring, pantry and a utility closet. Huge living room/dining room combination. With sliders to you, very spacious lanai and a wonderful water view. Lanai has windows and screens. Concrete patio, perfect for your barbecue. King-size master bedroom with attached large master bath. Dual sinks and a large vanity, awesome round shower. Guest bedroom with a separate full bath. Den used as an office, could 3rd bedroom. Large 2-car garage with entrance from the house, and a bonus storage shed. Serene water view from your patio and Lanai. Lush Florida landscaping. Furniture is negotiable. Land lease property. For more information, review the details below or contact Edward Gale at 772-233-5391.